Hi guys, I'm meeting up a friend today. It's a one rare opportunity that I have to go into town and look at things. I think this is the second time this year that I actually am going out and look at some stores. So if I see things that I think you guys are gonna like, I will share. There are several shops I want to go. I want to look at some pillows, and I'm really in the market for just like matches for some reason. I love candles, and I don't have a match clutch, and I know I can find them online for a lot of money, but I want to see what I can find. Also, I want to take a look at maybe the stores that I haven't been in like a year to see what's going on and actually look at the products. I think there's a difference between looking at things online and actually seeing the actual product, the materials, how they feel, and their textures, because it forms a memory bank in your mind that you can have a pretty general idea once you're buying online, that if it uses those words, you might be able to see the quality and envision it. I'm a big, huge online shopper, so I find that using this background information from looking at actual things really helps you see or imagine a product that you see online, say on Amazon, in your house, and see what the quality might be. So let's see what we find today. I've been wearing this makeup literally all day today. After my outing with my friend, I stopped by Sephora and I got their creamy eyeshadow, and I thought that was a really good deal for the eyeshadow. And then I got Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. So I thought that they looked pretty cute. I might do an entire makeup for this kind of look. I went on and I tried the consistency of Tilbury's creamy eyeshadow, and oh my gosh, it just goes on so smoothly. It's crazy. But Sephora's is not so easy to spread out, but I think it still kind of looks cute. Let me know what you think.